guys, this is going to be a collab of 7 outfits that are thrifted or something that you had on hand. And the host of today's collab is Thrift Queen, and I want you guys to make sure you check out her channel. She's very inspiring with all her ideas, and also she will have a playlist as well. This is our first outfit. I'm gonna allow it to play and you guys can just enjoy going forward.
On my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline. Over, went for hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline. Over, went for hours by my timeline.
So our final outfit is going to be this shirt, And I know you're wondering, what are we gonna do? Well, first off, it's half off. So that means it was $1.50. We're gonna cut it in half, right down the middle. The top is gonna appear to be a crop top, depending on the body frame that you're placing this on. For my model, it actually turns out to be a little longer than an actual crop top. Next, we're going to use these cords that you place at the end of your eyeglasses or sunglasses in order to hang them around your neck. You're gonna lay it across the bottom of the shirt where you cut the bottom half, and then we're gonna go ahead and sew. I used a needle and thread in order to do this portion.
So you picture on my timeline.
Next, we're gonna fold over the ends in order to make a hem for the top of our skirt. And here is our final project, a complete outfit for $1.50.